to Science with Lincoln. Today we will be making fire in the microwave. All you need is a grape and a beaker and microwave in 15 seconds, or a clear cup. You're going to cut your grape in half, but it still has to be connected like a book. Next, you're going to open it up and put it in the microwave. And then you're going to take your beaker or your cup. It works better if the beaker doesn't have a spout. And you're just going to put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. And it's going to make fire. And that's it. That happens because the atoms inside the grape get so hot that they come apart and make plasma. Watch our next video. Bye!